Hi, welcome back to our Ornish kitchen. I'm Chef Miguel for Beebe Healthcare. We are making two delicious recipes, very refreshing. We are making a white bean roasted garlic dip and our lemon ginger spritzer. All right, we're gonna start with our white bean and roasted garlic dip. We have white beans. I use northern. I like the texture and the creaminess. Roasted garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, fresh herbs, or if you prefer some dried herbs. So for our roasted garlic, all I did is I just took some raw garlic, put it in a sheet pan and put it in the oven for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees. The beans I rinse very well. I choose the low sodium. You can make your own cooked beans if you like. Soak them ahead of time and just rinse them, cook them. So I'm gonna add my beans, my lemon juice, lemon zest. Now I prefer fresh herbs for this. I got some rosemary, some fresh thyme, and a little bit of parsley here. My roasted garlic is going in. A little bit of salt, that's optional, and some black pepper. And just a little bit of water to create that creaminess for the beans. There we go. Remember, every time you're blending something, scrape the sides so everything gets blended evenly. Give it another shot, okay? And I'm serving this dip with some crudative veggies, some whole wheat pita. This is great for a party, for a barbecue, for a picnic, great for the summer, easy to make, refreshing. I hope you enjoy. So now we're gonna do our lemon ginger spritzer. We're gonna need fresh ginger. Make sure it's nice and fresh. An easy way to do it when you peel in is use the back of a spoon. Once it's nice and peeled, cut it to small pieces. Put it in your blender. We are making the juice right now for our spritzer with a little bit of water. And we're gonna blend. Now we're gonna strain this so we don't have any pulp. All we want is the juice. Once we're done, all you gotta do is put it together with some water, a fresh ginger juice, lemon juice. Our main ingredient here is also the seltzer water. You can do the juice ahead of time with the lemon juice and put it away. And then when you're ready to make more, you can just add more seltzer water. Garnish it with some fresh lemon. Here you go. Fresh ginger lemon spritzer.